Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shin Godzilla and Skibidi Toilet as one character. So let's get into the drawing session. Before that though, don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. Let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture of Skibidi Toilet and Shin Godzilla. So let's do it. Alright. Gonna go over this, and it's gonna be for beginners, and I can walk you through the whole thing. All right, let us do it. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with, let's see what I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna start with a toilet. So line right here, like a slightly curved, kind of curved upward, because it's gonna be the toilet bowl that's open here. Line back, line back. All right, and we're gonna draw the neck up over here, the old Shin Godzilla neck. It's almost, I wouldn't say perfect, but it's very good for this. Out over here, and he's got like a hamburger style face, in my opinion. Like his head looks like a hamburger. Curve, curve, curve. Curve, 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 right there. And it curve, 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 right here on this side. So we got his open mouth right there, and he's gonna have a very, very low, why did this move around? Forgive me. Curve, curve, curve on this side as well. He's got a very low forehead. And think of his skin kind of like, especially around his head, like hamburger meat. That's kind of what he reminds me of, like hamburger meat. Something like that. Alright. I'm gonna go over here now. Circle. Dot right there, and curve, curve, line, line, and we're gonna have teeth, right, to make him not look like Oscar the Grouch. He's gonna have right there, we draw as thin as you can. That's the thing, his teeth are pretty thin. It's kind of hard when you're drawing it this small, but do your best. Line right there. Alright. And now the rest of it, okay. One thing over here from the back of his neck. Downward. Downward. He has kind of this open area. It looks like gills or something. So that's literally what we did. We think of that simple shape, and we're going to draw a line, line, line. Kind of splitting it up there. Cool. So far so good. And now he's very textury, so I think what we're going to do is do something like this. Do these little M's that are sideways every now and then to kind of give him some texture. He's got a nostril too. Just maybe a couple of, sprinkle it around. You don't have to overdo it or anything. Right on. There you go. Looks like fried chicken, right? It looks like a McNugget or something. Nice. That's a good shorthand for Shin Godzilla. And then, if you really want to do this, let's do this. Draw these little ninja stars, kind of like these little flowers over here in his back. Like so. Looks like leaves. Nice. Drawing another line around the side there, so it's the toilet bowl itself, right? Don't forget, there's a second YouTube channel. I gotta take this announcement really quick, super quick. There's a second YouTube channel. It's a sister channel to this one. It's called Quick Pictures to Draw. If you type it in with no spaces into the search engine right there, into Google, into YouTube, it's gonna come up. Just type Quick Pictures to Draw, no spaces in between the words, and it'll come right up. Go over there, give it some love. It's a sister channel. I'm starting it up, so it's starting out, you know, not with that many people, but starting up. Go take a look at it. It's the same format as this channel, except there is no commentary there. So you're just watching, watching and learning as opposed to like hearing and, learning. But go take a look at that. Let me know what you think over there. Gonna go over here, curve down, curve down for the bowl. Over here is going to pull out, downward, out, downward, line across. Curve, line over here. Just these lines right there to make it look a little bit more like this porcelain kind of thing, this different material. And now we're going to draw the, let's see, the back of the toilet bowl. So let's just say we have, let's go over here on this side first. We're going to start about yay tall. Down over here, curve in. Alright, about this point, I'm going to do a little circle right there. A little circle for the lid. Line out, down, in. Line out. Go over here, downward, line in. Line over here, up. And line right there for kind of the tubing and the kind of tubes in the back of the toilet. Alright, let's keep going over here. Line up. If you want, you can throw another line right there. You don't have to do that. That's kind of up to you. Your decision making, of course. But, you know, let me know if that works for you. So, curve, 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 curve. It's like a tube. And then we're going to do kind of a similar thing on this side. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, but it can be pretty close. So let's go in. One of the final touches I want to do is draw a thicker outline. I really want to do it for this particular. By the way, what would you call this character? Let me know what you think. I really, really want to know what would you call this character. Like, if you write it in the if you write it in the comment section, I will pin the favorite one. I will. So try me. Write a couple of names if you want. And let me know what you think, because I am really curious what would you name this character here. So Shin Godzilla mixed with Skibidi Toilet here. And I'm just throwing a thicker outline on the outside of these characters to give it, you know, more gravitas, more... I want to make it look a little bit more like a sticker, which, by the way, we will have stickers soon. I haven't really promoted it that much, but we will have stickers, just to let you know. So I'm trying to get around every crevice of that outside section there. But I want to thank you for watching. I want you to stay happy when you're drawing, because that's a really big part of this. Staying happy while you're drawing is you know, you want to enjoy what you're doing, and that's always good to do, okay? So never, I'll put a little darker on the eye. Never stop enjoying what you're doing. So stay right here with me. I want you to share the video if you can, but I want you to stay right here for the next lesson. So let's do another lesson together, okay? Let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.